an autonomous supercar doing 200 mile an hour run by a computer? Would you get in that? Letting the autonomous drive?
I don't even get in a plane letting somebody else drive.
I'm good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. Me and Mike are sitting around here today, bullshitting back and forth about a few things. We're gonna look at some cars, have a couple ideas, and we'll see what we have to say about them.
Audi, beauty, wow. What do you got to say about that one, Abe? I think my head would stick up over the window, but that's pretty cool.
I tell you what.
That's a sick looking Audi. Is that electric? Is that conventional? It doesn't know.
I don't know, but the style of it is quite
It's
interesting.
amazing. I love that front end.
You know what? It goes right back to like the 40s.
Yep, it just.
You know what I mean? It doesn't really have that much of a European. Well, it does have.
Yeah.
It reminds me of.
I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's pretty pleasing to the eye.
You know what? It's very interesting.
Yeah. Very nice car. What's it called?
It's an Audi something.
Audi what? What does it say? The Audi Sky Sphere.
It looks like.
Sky Sheer?
It reminds me of a Bentley.
Yeah, kind of with the front end.
It reminds me of a Bentley.
Yeah, beautiful. That's a pass. I think that's sick.
Yeah.
I wish there was more specs on it.
Well, it'll be expensive.
Wow, Mercedes.
What is that, honey?
That has got to be it's a one-seater, so obviously it's got to be electric with the EG.
You would think so, yeah.
It's not very practical. Amazing as a
Well, it's got one seat in it, so you wouldn't have to worry about giving any of your friends a ride.
ride. Yeah, or your wife.
Yeah.
Kick her to the curb.
She wouldn't ride with you anyways in that thing.
I don't see the practicality of it, but as a design exercise in design, it's pretty stunning.
I tell you what, it reminds me of a shoe.
A very fast shoe.
Yeah, a Dutch wooden shoe.
Yeah. Anyways, it's kind of cool, but I think I like the Volvo better, the Audi better. That's pretty cool, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think of the wheels?
The wheels, I was just looking at them. They're very interesting. They don't look like there's any air in them.
Like, does it rotate or does it?
Well, they definitely rotate, or they wouldn't be called.
No, I mean, are those the spokes and then this spins, or that just deflects
Well,
the
that's
air?
a question. I don't know. I think that it's a rim and it just spins, but it doesn't look like there's any air in them tires.
They're pretty low profile.
Yeah.
Don't know. Okay. There's another
You know
Mercedes.
what?
That one's pretty cool.
That's very interesting.
Yeah, that one. I mean, it's almost got the front end like the Audi.
I drive that car. I like that one the best so far out of all of them.
Yeah, and the gull wings.
But mind you, I kind
But
of.
look at those tires and rims again. Is there any rubber to the road?
I don't know. This sure doesn't. I could have them wrecked in about 13 seconds.
I don't think we'd be taking that down a gravel road.
No, I don't think that I'd hit a curb with it and it'd be the end of that story.
Pretty cool though. Pretty cool. I mean, like I said, it's out there. I don't think we're ever going to see any of these.
Look at that old car back there. There's a genuine gull wing in the very back corner, it looks like.
Cool. Don't like that. That's a Honda what? It's got to be electric vehicle or what? I don't know. I don't get it. That one doesn't do anything for me.
The wheels are very interesting on it. That's all I got to say.
Yeah. The design doesn't do anything for me. There's not
It
much
really,
artistry.
you know what? It doesn't
There's
do
not
anything
much
for me,
artistry
too.
there. It could be a technological marvel, but just the aesthetics don't really move me.
It looks like it would go through the air pretty good, but
Cybertruck. I admire Elon Musk, but I mean, it's not my favorite design.
I tell you what.
Yeah, it's not my favorite design.
I tell you what.
I like my Blazer body better, but I mean, I know they've got a lot of power. They do the job. It just.
I drove one for part of a day when I was in Utah, the Diesel brothers. Dave gave me his wagon to drive for a day. And they said that he drives it all the time. And I can see why he drives it all the time.
Yeah.
It's got an amazing amount of power.
Okay.
Practicality?
Not so much.
I don't know what you would do with it except look at it and go, well, this is very interesting. And here's something really curious. Back in about 1935, they had the same style of vehicle back in 1935 with the same body shape that somebody built. Somebody sent me a picture of it. But yeah, so that style is not new. 1935, that same shape and concept was out there. But it is...
Fugly. Anyway, it's not my favorite body design. Right?
It's got lots of power.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's probably very efficient, very...
If I had an unlimited budget, I would buy one just to drive once in a while. If I had to use one out of necessity, it wouldn't be my car.
Okay.
You know what? I don't mind that.
I don't like it as much as the others. I have no idea what it is.
I like the first one still.
That's a Jaguar?
I like the first one we've seen better. That looks, it looks, they all look like a Bentley to me. I guess I like Bentleys. That looks like a Bentley.
Is that an electric Jaguar?
Yeah, it's a Type 00. This is the latest concept car from Jaguar.
Okay. Doesn't do as much for me as some of the others. Maybe it's cool. Maybe, I don't know. Not my favorite. What's next? What the? Okay. That one's kind of cool.
I like that.
Yeah. What is that? It looks like a Corvette, but it's not.
And the floors are all just screen.
Oh, yeah.
The entire floor is a screen.
Like a TV screen.
Like a TV screen.
What is
I thought it was a screen, so if you put all the garbage on there, it would just fall out on the road. You don't have to worry about
What
cleaning
is
your
that? A
car.
Rolls? Is that, what is that? What make?
I think I'll have to pick that for my favorite car so far.
Yeah, that one's pretty wild.
It is pretty. I have not an idea how it is, but I sure like it.
Yeah.
Look how the door opens on it.
I think that's the passenger side is big.
That's for fat people to get in and out.
Yeah.
That kind of car.
The passengers can get in and out. Does it say what it is? That's the Rolls-Royce. Oh, it's a DSX Extense autonomous supercar. Okay, yep. Cool.
How do you
So
get
autonomous is self-driving.
No, get it this way. Would you get in an autonomous supercar doing 200 mile an hour run by a computer? Would you get in that? Letting the autonomous drive?
I don't even get in the plane letting somebody else drive.
Oh, I'm good. I like the look of it, but I ain't riding that piece of shit that fast.
That
That's
one
just
doesn't.
ugly.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, that one doesn't.
It looks
do
like
much.
the only thing can be that ugly is a Citroen. What is it?
Looks like
a
a-
BMW.
Yes, I mean it looks
I'm-
like it'd be a nice commuter car for around town, but you're not going
I'm
to win any
good.
styling and points with it. No.
That is a Rolls-Royce. And
it?
you don't want to know something? If you cut them fenders off about right there, I like that car.
I like that part of
Yes,
it. That part of
I
it.
just finished
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
You cut half the fender off the piece of shit.
And get rid of this line because it doesn't
No,
go with
which
it.
line?
I don't like that.
I like that part. Get rid of the fenders.
No, I like that part. That part looks cool. That just ruins
I
it.
like that part.
Okay.
We'll give that a pass. I like that car best so far.
Okay. I'm
A
not
League of Their Own. Remember the car in League of Their Own? Do you remember that show, The League of Their Own? It kind of looked like that. Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
It rolls canardly.
There we go.
Well,
Supper time yet?
I don't know, but the concept was
dark
very
yet.
interesting, hey?
But all those cars were electric, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that right, eh?
Yeah.
They'll pass everything but a...
But at a Tesla charging station.
Yeah, they'll pass everything but a plug-in.
Yeah. Well, everybody, I mean, they all start with the concept, right? I mean, any car, it starts with somebody has an idea, a concept, a design. So they do a sketch, then they do a clay model, then they make it in clay. Then if they get the go-ahead, then they've got to figure out the engineering and the mechanicals to fit in that structure. So that's why a lot of cars you see as a concept never make it because the cost is prohibitive to actually produce
Well,
that
they do.
dream.
Back in the day, it was actually an art about building this stuff. Nowadays, they just punch it in a computer and it just
Spits it
builds
out.
it.
AI.
Yeah, just
You've
you
got
want it
Avery
there.
intelligence.
Exactly, none. I was looking at a Bugatti when we were in Florida, and the front tire had a little scuff mark on it. You could barely see with a magnifying glass. And I asked the guy, that's a brand new Bugatti supercar. I asked him, I said, what is that rim worth? He says, you got to buy the tire with it. It comes as one match set. $55,000 US for the tire and rim.
What?
Yeah,
I'm not owning one.
I tell you what.
I've already wrecked three rims on this Chevelle. Like I said, I mean, basically, I like to have a
Yeah,
Jag.
I do
like to
actually.
have a Tommaso. Avery does. Avery dreams big.
I would like to have an SA supercharged Duesenberg boat tail.
Why not dream big, Abe?
Well, you ask a question,
Yeah,
I give them an answer.
Yeah. I like my Firefly convertible. Right? I live within my means.
Well, this is a
Avery's dreaming
dream.
of doing
If you don't have dreams, what do you have?
I want to put a turbo in one.
What?
One of my Fireflies.
We'll do it. We'll buy a turbo motor.
I got one.
Put it in there. I'll give you a hand actually doing it if you want to do it.
You have to change all the wiring. You need a GTI to run the computer and everything. It's all different. That's why I haven't done it. Sounds like a lot. I don't even have metric tools yet.
The car that you sat in, that you figure that you made it to the top.
Yeah.
I haven't sat in one yet. I guess I haven't made it.
No. See,
I don't know.
I feel like I made it to the top when I sit in my Firefly.
I don't really look at it like that.
Well, a lot of guys do. I mean, they buy the Beamer or the Ferrari, and they've made it, right? Always.
You know, I tell you what, if there was one car that I think that I would enjoy the most, that I've always wanted, there's quite a few of them actually, would probably be a 250 Californian Ferrari.
Oh, yeah.
I like that stuff.
I like them all. I don't care. There's so many beautiful cars out there. I just want one that I can fix when it breaks.
A split window
Corvette, 63.
Beetle.
58.
The 58 is that split window?
I think so.
58, yeah. Yeah. That actually was quite a bit of money, but at the end of the day, I guess that's why we are and who we are is what we like, I guess.
You like them all.
And I think that's why the general population, we all have a really weird love affair with vehicles.
Yes.
You know?
That's because everywhere we go, we got to drive one.
But it isn't that, it's a style.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, in Europe, they don't have it. And countries like Holland, you can go wherever you want on a bicycle. So they don't have car dreams. Here in Canada, you want to go visit the neighbor, it's a 20-mile drive.
I bought an electric bicycle the other day.
Yeah, I know. That poor thing.
That's what they say. That's why 2 motors get me down
As
the
it
road.
said, one person only.
Yeah,
to you.
yeah. Help me. But it's very interesting. You don't think about it. We look at those cars that we're looking at, them Chevelles and the Dodges and all that stuff. That Superbird, it always sticks in my mind because it's always very interesting to me. How old is that car?
It's 54 years old.
Like, and these vehicles we're driving nowadays, are they going to last 10 years?
No, they won't
Like,
last
they
50.
will just crumble into nothing.
Yes.
They
will UV degrade in the sun.
Speaking about that, half of them got soya-based wiring harnesses in them. The mice go in your wiring harness and eat it like it's
Chopstick, chop suey.
a delicacy. Chewing on your wiring harness.
Soya based.
Yeah, they eat the wiring right out of them. Done. The failure, they say, is all the pin connectors in them.
Yep.
Rust and fail.
Yep.
10,000 pin connectors. I don't know. It's just very interesting.
That's why we like old cars, no technology.
Yeah, but they drive like a piece of shit. They drive like a piece of shit, but they will start and drive.
Mine doesn't.
Yeah,
It's 64 Chevelle.
Yeah, you got new technology in it. All the suspension's brand new.
Yeah, but it's still simple. It's all bolt-in. No computers, no sensors, nothing. Nothing, Abe.
And it's still all updated, whether it's
but
bolted or not.
It's still simple technology. It's updated, but it's simple. I mean, it took 2 days to bolt in a brand new suspension that made a 50-year-old car drive like a brand new car.
Yeah, that
2
thing
days,
does drive nice.
right?
I don't know. It's just very interesting. But I tell you, everybody looks at these old muscle cars and go, I really, really want one of these muscle cars. I'm going to drive it every day. Well, the average person, remember when we got out of your Chevelle out of driving to Fort St. John and back?
Yeah.
We looked at each other and said, hey, you know what? We're good for a while.
Yeah, but that's because that car was stock. I don't fit in it. The seats are
It doesn't,
terrible.
it doesn't matter. We're talking about old technology,
Yes.
not updating stuff. And the old technology, but there's something that the old technology has that they have style.
Yes.
You come out of the bar half pissed, you can't tell a goddamn Ford truck from a Dodge or a Chevy.
No.
I swear the doors, you could bolt one onto the other.
And if you don't have the fob, you can't find your vehicle.
Too many wobbly pops.
Anyway,
I don't know.
I think it's just a matter of the technology. People want
Are you
go
going to
back to
restore a
simpler
brand new
time.
Ford F-150
No.
20 years from now?
No, what would the wiring harness cost you?
You could probably find one because it's all outdated and every one of them be wrecked.
Yeah. But yet, I can buy a brand new wiring harness for that for $800.
Yeah, but
$800. What's an injector on your truck worth?
$800
for one injector.
Yeah.
That's why people like the old technology.
But again, it's smooth, it's quiet, it's got creature comforts that we get used to that we don't realize.
Well, that's why you've just got to suck it up and get... I don't even put the roof up in my Firefly. It keeps blowing open at 60 miles an hour. Scares me. Anyway, winter's coming. Put on a toque, crank on the heat, and put on the gloves.
Yeah. I don't know, it's very interesting how times have changed at the end of the day.
Yeah, but we haven't. Well, you've given in. You gone over the dark side, bought a new truck.
You know
Well, where
what?
did it get you? You blew it up.
Well, I wouldn't should have put that high a tune on it. I broke the turbocharger in half.
Oh, I shouldn't have put down your tune on it.
I enjoyed it though. You hear me whining about it?
Yes.
Oh, a little bit. Yeah.
I detuned mine. I get in there.
Yeah,
detune
but
them.
yeah,
Anyway.
yeah. Anyway.
That's why I have no problems. Hey guys, thanks for watching Avery's channel.
Thanks for watching, guys. It's been awesome hanging out with you, and I hope you enjoyed the time with us.
Give us some comments. Give
Yeah.
Avery some comments.
Give us some love.
Tell him Christmas is coming and he doesn't get rid of that turkey.
Anyways, guys, it was kind of fun looking at some of the old stuff.
Yeah.
It's amazing, though. It's amazing. The thing that really, it's very interesting how the new stuff comes out, but we're just, our style and our like and stuff is still stuck back on the era of that style of car, back in the muscle
Where
car.
you grew up
Where
with.
we grew up at. It's
right.
still the car that we relate with the most, eh?
Yeah.
It's very
Metallic
interesting.
memory magnet.
Yeah, I tell you what, it's very interesting. I did like that Rolls-Royce though. If you hack some of that fender off, I'd drive that piece of right after I got a better job. Subscribe, so I have some money so I can buy the lug nuts.